lined paper in Excel. So firstly, select page layout as A4 or your required page size. Now guys, here you will see this page border. Drag and drop. Now here select first line cells in the home tab. Here select merge cells. Now click on this corner and drag and drop as many as you need. And once you see this border line, so drop it. Again select it. Now click here, select top and bottom border. Now select your desired and required color. Again click here and all borders. You can add also line here. So insert shape and line if you need a vertical line. So draw here. Like this. Increase the size. Press and hold shift. Till the first page border. You can change thickness. Now select this first page. Enter. Now select this second page and drop it. Now print. So this way you can create lined paper in Excel. Thanks for watching.